Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chiz. My pronouns are they, she, or he, and I do things on here sometimes. I recently got an undercut. You can't really tell, but yeah, I cut my hair. I've just kind of been in this silly mood to remove more hair from my body. So today I'm going to be shaving my eyebrows off and then doing my makeup. So it's going to be like a makeup tutorial, kind of. And I'm going to be using Nair for the first time. I have shaved my eyebrows before, I just have never used Nair. So this is going to be interesting and fun. Okay, so the directions say to leave it on for 3 minutes and then test a small area for hair removal, but my eyebrows are already a small area, so I'm probably going to leave it for like 5 minutes. They say not to exceed 10 minutes, so I'm going to do 5. Does anyone know if Nair expires? I don't see a date on it. So let's just hope for the best. Okay, whatever. So it says not for use on face. Okay, so I did a little bit of research, aka Googling and reading the titles of articles, but I'm gonna do it. I will probably end up only leaving it on for like 3 minutes and just see what happens. Wish me luck, please. Okay, so first, I don't know if this is gonna help, but I'm taking some Lubriderm and I'm going to just moisturize my eyebrow skin area. So I'm going to be using a Q-tip type thing, which is actually an eyelash glue applicator, but I'm going to use it to put on like a Vaseline type thing around my eyebrow area. Yeah, just like that, you get it. I'm going to put it on my finger and put it on my eyebrows. They say not to rub it in like this to like put it on there, so just gonna be slapping it on there. All right, now I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna wipe them off. Ooh, oh my God. Okay, I have to do the other one really quick. All right, so I washed my eyebrow area and rinsed it off as best I could. Then I got a makeup wipe and I wiped off whatever may have been left. It doesn't feel burny or anything. Oh my God, it is so smooth. Why haven't I done this before? I'm going to put on some more Lubriderm. Nothing special about Lubriderm, it's what I have. All right, this is what my eyebrows look like. I am super happy with them. So now it's time to do my makeup. I don't use foundation all the time, but I'm going to do it for you guys. So there's not really anything special about the way that I do foundation. I take some, this might not be enough, but I just put it on my face and then I rub it in with my hands. I do have a beauty blender, but like it just soaks up all the foundation. Like, what's the point? I probably don't have a good one, but I mean, it's all just foam, right? You know what? Since you guys are here, look, it looks like a butt plug that has shit on it. But anyways, I'm gonna try. Since you guys are here, I'm going to try to use the beauty blender. I don't even know if it's like being helpful right now that I already rubbed it into my skin, but let's just act like it is, okay? Okay. I'm just really loving my no eyebrows right now. Why didn't I do this sooner? Because I was procrastinating it. Okay, so the next thing I have is powder, and I just want to let you know that these steps, these first 2 steps, are not required, okay? I know how it feels to click on a makeup video that's titled easy, and then they pull out the foundation, and you're just like, I already give up, right? But no, it's not required at all, so you don't need this. This powder makes my face like so matte. It's so awesome, and it like matches with the foundation. I bought it here in Nigeria. Oh, I should probably show you what I use, right? This is the foundation that I use. It's like Andre Sunblock Foundation. Super matte. Yeah, I use in the color 2 Honey. And then I also have the powder in the color 2 Honey, same brand. I noticed this eyebrow hair. I'm gonna try to take it out with tweezers. Did it work? I don't know. Can we just pretend it did? Okay, I would like to formally apologize for using the James Charles Morphe palette, but yeah, my mom bought it and she had no idea who this man was. I don't use concealer on my eyes since I'm already doing like a darker color. I don't think it matters. Oh, no eyeshadow. First of all, it really depends on how I feel. I think I'm just gonna do the most for you guys. I don't usually put like eyeliner on since I'm already gonna use black eyeshadow. Okay, so what you will do now is get some black eyeliner or brown, whatever you like to use. And I just put it under my eyes a bit and like on the top. Don't put it like too on your waterline because you're gonna use white eyeliner there later. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like. So now I'm going to get this specific brush, and it's like rectangular and kind of flat. I'm actually not gonna use black. I'm gonna use this one. It's like pretty dark. I'm gonna use it, and I'm just gonna do that. I could have just gone straight to doing this, but I did the eyeliner for, I don't know, the purpose of it. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the top as well. So next I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to use this brush that's like a little bit more round. And then I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna use the brown. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna take some and I'm gonna go like this. Doesn't have to be clean. It's actually better that way, in my personal opinion. Do the same thing to the other eye. Try to get them to be the same. Okay, so sometimes I like to use this specific pink, and I take some and then I put it around, you know, just like for a little like pop of color. It's so awesome having no eyebrows. You can do whatever you want. It looks like I need some more like of the darker color, so I'm also going to use some of that. I'm gonna use this brush still because it doesn't really matter. And ooh, it got wet in my eye. Yeah, just keep like adjusting it. I'm going to actually use some black because we're approaching dangerous territory. I'm literally so in love with my eyebrows not existing on my face. Like, I can't explain it to you, but I'm sure you understand. Okay, so now the final boss brush is this one, right? It's kind of like the other one, but it's hella like free, right? And so I just like kind of use it to like blend everything together. Couldn't tell you where I got these brushes. Well, I could. And I couldn't tell you where they're from. I stole them from my sisters over time, and I built up quite the collection. If any of my sisters are watching this, thank you for the brushes. The next thing that I do is I take some white eye pencil and I do this to my eye, and then I just rub it in there. All right, and then the last thing that I do for my eyes, I take this highlight or like this shiny shadow, and then I put it, and then all right, that's it for my eyes. So I don't, for the life of me, know how to draw eyebrows on where they look good and even. So what I do is I put dots usually, but since I got this little star stamp eyeliner, I'm going to be using them for the first time on my brows ever, and I'm wearing a star shirt and it's awesome and it's gonna work out perfectly. I'm gonna really stamp it on. If it's not symmetrical, keep your mouth shut. Just gonna put dots all over my face with my LA Color Dollar Tree eyeliner. Well, and then we'll do some more. I'm also just gonna put a dot on my eyebrows because I just think that it works better to have 3 little things. Okay, I guess I'm satisfied with my dotty dots for now. So now it's the funnest part, and it's the lips. I use the same like eye pencil because it's eyeliner and lip liner pencil. Eyeliner and lip liner pencil. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do it. So like this. Ooh, okay, so now I got my lips lined. And now I'm going to go in with my black lipstick from Spirit Halloween and just like go around it. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but okay, so that's step 1 of the lippies. And then the next thing for the lips, I'm going to go in with my classic matte lipstick and just put it in the middle. Okay, then I mix it all together. All right, I added the earrings, and that's the whole look. Like, I love this look. I wish I had somewhere to go, but I don't, so I'm probably just gonna take pictures. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got something useful out of this or enjoyed watching it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the channel. Yeah, leave a comment or let me know if you're gonna shave your eyebrows with Nair or anything like that. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you in the next one.